you tired of feeling like there aren't enough hours in the day? Are you tired of being overwhelmed by your to-do list and feeling like you're not getting anything done? Imagine being able to triple your productivity in just 15 minutes a day. Sound too good to be true? It's not. In this video, we're going to share with you the secrets to time management. Secrets that have been used by successful people for years. Secrets like the Pomodoro Technique, the Eisenhower Matrix, and the 80-20 rule. These are proven methods that will help you get more done in less time, so you can achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life. If you're ready to take control of your time and be more productive, keep watching. And before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more tips and knowledge on brain-boosting topics like time management, productivity, and other self-improvement related subjects. Tip 1. Prioritize your tasks. The first step to managing your time effectively is to prioritize your tasks. Make a list of everything you need to do, and then group them into 3 categories: important and urgent, important but not urgent, and not important. Tackle the important and urgent tasks first, then the important but not urgent tasks, and finally, the not important tasks. This will help you focus on the most important tasks and minimize distractions. Prioritizing your tasks using this method will also help you to identify what is truly important and what can be put on hold or delegated. Consider using tools like a daily planner, calendar, or a task management app to help you keep track of your tasks and stay organized. To prioritize your tasks, you can also use the Eisenhower Matrix, which separates tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. Tip 2. Use the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that involves breaking down your work into short, focused intervals, known as Pomodoros. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this process until you've completed your work. The Pomodoro Technique is an effective way to stay focused and avoid burnout. The short breaks in between work sessions also help to refresh your mind and increase your focus and productivity when you return to work. To make the most of this technique, make sure to choose a task that can be completed within a 25-minute time frame, and during the break, take a short walk, grab a drink, or do something that will refresh your mind before starting the next task. Consider adjusting the time intervals to fit your needs. Some people work better with longer or shorter time frames. Tip 3. Implement the Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix is another useful tool for prioritizing your tasks. The matrix separates tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent or important. Tackle the urgent and important tasks first, then the important but not urgent tasks, and so on. This will help you focus on the most important tasks and minimize distractions. By using this matrix, you can also identify what tasks are not important and can be eliminated from your to-do list. To implement this matrix, you can use a simple 2x2 matrix, with one axis labeled urgency and the other labeled importance. Assign each task to a category and tackle them accordingly. This matrix is a great way to identify which tasks are essential to your goals and which can be deferred or delegated. Tip 4. Make use of the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify the 20% of your tasks that are most important and focus on them. This will help you make the most of your time and achieve the best results. By focusing on these vital tasks, you can increase your productivity and achieve more in less time. To identify these vital tasks, you can use a tool like the Eisenhower Matrix, or simply focus on tasks that align with your goals and objectives. The 80-20 rule is a great way to identify which activities are most crucial to your success and which can be eliminated or minimized. Tip 5. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can be a huge time waster. To stay focused and get more done, Eliminate distractions from your environment. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and put on noise-canceling headphones if needed. Identify the most common distractions in your work environment and take steps to eliminate them. This will help you to stay focused and avoid wasting time on activities that do not contribute to your productivity. Consider setting up a specific workspace or designated work hours to minimize distractions and increase focus. To eliminate distractions, you can also use apps and tools such as website blockers, or schedule specific times of the day to check your email and social media. Additionally, you can also try to minimize multitasking and focus on one task at a time. This will help you to stay focused and avoid distractions. By implementing these time management tips and tricks, you'll be able to boost your productivity, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. Start by prioritizing your tasks, using the Pomodoro Technique, the Eisenhower Matrix, and the 80-20 rule, and eliminating distractions. With a little bit of effort, you'll be able to take control of your time and achieve more than you ever thought possible. Remember, the key to success is not working harder, but working smarter. So, put these tips into action today, and see the results for yourself. Keep in mind that time management is an ongoing process, so be consistent in implementing these tips and make adjustments as necessary. Remember, time management is a skill, and like any other skill, it needs to be practiced and refined. So, keep working on it, and you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more time management tips and other brain-boosting content from Under 10 Brain Boost.